Hi, this is Nicholas with Zenith Design Build. I'm joined here with Andrea and Nathan Blake, where we're going to talk about their experience throughout the project that we did for them. So why did you guys decide you wanted to go with Zenith?
It was the most unique and different bid that we had. All the other bids that we had were pretty standard, nothing particularly unique about it. We felt like it went well with kind of the aesthetic of the house and what we were going for.
I felt like you did a good job listening and communicating, and that was really important in setting expectations. In addition to the product, right? Like obviously, and people have seen it, like it's striking when you see it.
How was your experience throughout the construction process?
It was probably about as smooth as it could have gone. The crew that you have was incredibly respectful and kind of hyper aware of maybe how their work and their actions were affecting us and our family.
So when we were done, what did your kids think?
Your team was real kind to them, which was nice throughout the process.
But they also have verbalized that they miss the guys, and so I think they kind of became part of our family there for a while. So it seems kind of basic, I guess, but I really like just the steps, and I like the way they're designed. They're a little offset, and I just like how that looks.
Yeah, I mean the turf is great. It looks like grass, which is kind of cool around a white pool, but obviously isn't, so I don't have to mow it. That was cool when it came in because it's real. There's a lot of contrast, right? You have this really bright green turf. You have close to white, kind of really light gray tile, and the cedar that surrounds it. The other thing that was real impressive to me, at least, was just the attention that was paid to the wood.
The custom bench that was built is excellent. It's a great addition for seating, and they took their time with it and smoothed out the edges and in ways that I am certain other folks would not have done.
Yeah, we appreciated that. Mm-hmm. Yeah.